There was a time I measured how good I was by how much code I wrote. My thought then was more code meant more progress, more lines meant more value. Until one day, somebody asked me one question I could not answer, and I had written thousands of lines of code that week. Hello, I am Abubakar Lukman, the most valuable person in tech. Without me, no tech. Yeah, don't doubt me. So here's how I used to think. When you give me a task, I open my editor and I start building. No long questioning, no long thinking, just straight into coding. And honestly, it felt productive. It felt like I was doing something. But the problem was, I was always building and yet it kept on breaking. The features kept conflicting and I kept finding myself going back to redo things that I already done already. I was busy, but I was not building something that lasted. Then something changed. I started working on a project that was bigger than anything I had thought before. And for the first time, I could not just open my editor and start. There were too many moving parts, too many things that depended on each other. So I was forced to slow down and I started asking, how does this piece affect that one? What happened to this part when that part fails? If 10,000 people use this at once, where does it break? And something immediately shifted in my head. I stopped seeing code as the work. I started seeing the system as the work. The code was just how I expressed it. You see, that switch did not make me write less code. It made every line I wrote mean something. Because I finally understood what I was building before I started building it. And that is the difference between a developer who codes and an engineer who thinks. One starts with the keyboard and the other starts with the question. So which one are you?